Shocking open era, did you know that over 40% of Americans have a side hustle? Imagine making an extra $1,000 a month. If you're ready to unlock your earning potential, hit that like button now. I drop videos like this weekly for ambitious individuals. Subscribe and let's dive in. Point 1. Freelancing. Everyone tells you to find a 9 to 5, but the real game changer is offering your skills online. Here's a quick story of someone who transformed their passion into profit. Point 2. Dropshipping. Most people waste time on inventory, not realizing that a 10% tweak could unlock massive gains. Here's what successful dropshippers do differently. Point 3. Online tutoring. You can make a significant income simply by sharing your knowledge. A friend of mine started tutoring math and now makes over $1,000 a month. Point 4. Affiliate marketing. Many people think it's a scam, but the truth is millions are earning from it. Let me share how one blogger turned this into a full-time gig. Point 5. Virtual assistant. Most people think this is only for tech-savvy folks, but businesses are hiring anyone who can organize. I know someone who landed a VA job with just basic skills. Point 6. Content creation. You don't need millions of followers to monetize. I started with just a few hundred subscribers and now earn from sponsorship. Let me tell you how. Point 7. Print on demand. Everyone assumes you need to create your own designs, but the real key is to find trending niches. Here's how one designer made a fortune with minimal effort. Point 9. House cleaning. Most people think this is just a chore, but high-end clients pay top dollar for quality service. Let me share how a friend built a lucrative cleaning business. Point 10. Photography. You don't need a fancy studio. Just a good eye and social media can turn your hobby into a side hustle. Here's how one photographer began charging for their services. So, to recap, we explored 10 side hustles that can help you earn an extra $1,000 a month. Remember, it's all about leveraging your skills and interests. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and comment below your favorite side hustle idea. See you in the next video.